Hi guys, in this video I am going to show that how to add and subtract matrices. Whenever you are adding or subtracting matrices, then make sure that the order of the two matrices must be same. Just like here, A matrix and B matrix have the same order, and the order of matrix A is 2 by 3. Right? In the same way, the order of matrix B is also 2 by 3. So we can easily add the two matrices, right? Here matrix A contains 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, 6, and matrix B contains 6, 5, 3, negative 1, 4, and 2. Now to add the two matrices, simply we will write it is A plus B equals to A matrix, which contains the element 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, and 6, plus matrix B, which contains the elements 6, 5, 3, negative 1, 4, and 2. Now to add the two matrices, make sure to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. Right, so simply add 2 with 6. So 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 5 plus negative 1, 5 plus negative 1, negative 1 plus 4, negative 1 plus 4, 6 plus 2. Right, now we are going to simplify this matrix. So we have 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus negative 1 is 4. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. Right? So A plus B equals to 8, 8, 7, 4, 3, and 8. Here, the order of these two matrices is 2 by 3. So the order of the matrix A plus B will also be 2 by 3. Right, so this is the addition of the two matrices. So you can follow up this method and add two matrices. Here is another example. Matrix C equals to 3, 4, 5, and 6. And D matrix equals to 3, 8, 5, and 6. Right? Add these two matrices and write your answer in the comment section if you solve it or not. Now we are going to focus on the subtraction of matrices. Whenever you are going to subtract matrices, make sure that the order of the two matrices must be the same, just like the order of these two matrices as 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3 matrix, and this is also 2 by 3 matrix. Right, so the order of the two matrices is same. That is why we can subtract these matrices. A minus B will be equal to A matrix, which contains the elements 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8, minus B matrix, which contains the elements 1, 4, 3, negative 4, 6, and 5, negative 5. Right? Now, again, just like the addition of the matrices, simply subtract each element of matrix B from the corresponding elements of matrix A. So we have 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 5 minus negative 4, 5 minus negative 4, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 8 minus negative 5, 8 minus negative 5. Alright, so we have 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 4 is negative 2, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus negative 4 is 9. Right, 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus negative 5 is 13. So A minus B will be equal to this matrix, which contains the elements 2, negative 2, 1, 9, 0, and 13. So this is the difference of matrix A and B. So by following of this method, you can subtract any two matrices of the same order. Now here is another example. C, which contains the elements 3, negative 1, 4, and 6, right? And D matrix, which contains the elements 0, 4, 5, and 6. Now your task is to subtract D from C, and whether if you can do, then write your answer in the comment section. Simply find C minus D. So if you can do it, write yes in the comment section. And if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.